I'm Joe Dahlem, president of Odyne Systems. Odyne develops and sells electrification systems for medium and heavy-duty trucks. Our systems reduce fuel consumption, emissions, and noise on trucks over 14,000 pounds. And our technology helps improve fuel efficiency while driving and keeps engines off at the worksite. After talking with customers about problems that they face, Odyne started developing the technology to keep engines off at work sites and improve fuel efficiency while driving. What we developed over time was a system that you can plug in. It has large batteries on it, and that energy is stored overnight. When the customer gets in the vehicle and starts to operate it, the engine actually works in combination with an electric motor that we install on the vehicle, and we tie it into what's called the power takeoff. That's a very easy and seamless way. We've patented that method. And what that allows us to do is improve fuel economy while driving because we're drawing upon energy from the grid. And then when the customer brakes, we're using regenerative braking. And then finally, when the vehicle is stopped, we can turn off the engine automatically and then use our electrically stored power to power everything on the truck, including recharging of the 12-volt battery, air conditioning of the cab. We also have a low emissions heat system. So all these technologies help reduce fuel consumption and emissions.